To enable Apple Pay contactless payment, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay. This includes iPhone 6 and later models, Apple Watch, iPad Air 2 and later, and Mac models from 2012 or later. First, you need to add a credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. Open the Wallet app on your device and tap the plus sign in the top right corner. Select the type of card you want to add and follow the prompts to enter your card information. You may be asked to verify your card with your bank, which can be done through a text message, email, or phone call. Once your card is verified, you can use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. To do this, make sure your device is unlocked and hold it near the contactless reader. You will see a confirmation prompt on your screen when the payment is successful. For iPhone users, you can also use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authenticate transactions. On Apple Watch, you need to enter a passcode to authenticate. When using Apple Pay, keep in mind that you do not need to physically swipe or insert your card, making it a convenient and secure way to make payments. Additionally, your actual card number is not stored on your device or shared with merchants, adding an extra layer of security. To get the most out of Apple Pay, consider adding multiple cards to your Wallet app and setting a default card for easy access. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites that support it, making it a versatile and widely accepted payment method. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily enable Apple Pay contactless payment and start enjoying the convenience and security it has to offer.